only tried Shrinky Dink as an adult just this last summer, and it just turned out to be a really nice material for making small, durable things. Something that has a little bit more weight to it than a drawing on paper, which is really nice, and was kind of interested in it because it has this, it is this like kids art process, but I think it can be used to make really exciting things, and that it shouldn't just be limited to kids using it. Anybody can make a Shrinky Dink and have a lot of fun with it. I've made some little pins that mostly had this star design on them, but I've also made some funny little kind of like talismans, little tiny horseshoes that you can keep in your wallet for good luck, or little 4-leaf clovers as well, but mostly just very tiny little symbols, mostly things that I think are either for good luck or are just nice to look at. Things that are small are so great because you can, they're so easy to make lots of them, which I really like. I love making multiples of things, kind of repeating the same design over and over again, and then that means you can share these things with people. I love to be able to give small things away or trade with people.